Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My dad is still sitting here as well, so if you hear anything, there you go. It's my dad. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. It's 5 days until Christmas. No, 4 days until Christmas. That's crazy. Yay. Okay, let me get off my babbling. Today, we're talking Perricone MD. I want to try out this no makeup foundation broad spectrum SPF 30 foundation because sometimes I want to wear makeup. Well, I don't want to look like this when I go out, but I don't feel like doing a whole face with the eyebrows and I just don't want to do it all. And sometimes it's like, okay, I'm just not, I'm just going out just the way it is because I don't feel like doing a whole face. And so I want to try this out to see if it was something kind of like my CC serum that will give me a bit more coverage than the by Terry CC serum, which is still great, by the way. But this has an SPF, and which is amazing. So let's talk about it. This comes in, oh, I wasn't quite ready. So it comes in a bottle that you can tighten up and a pump. Oh, that's great. I like that. It comes in 1 fluid ounce and it retails for $60. And now it does come in 5 shades. I got the deepest shade and that's in tan. And the coverage is light. It's for all skin types. It says it has a natural finish, a sheer, natural looking treatment foundation with a non-chemical SPF 30 designed to deliver a luminous, dewy glow and visibly improve skin's appearance over time. Okay, so this has some skin, I don't want to say skin toning, but some great skincare in it. Oh, that's great. Okay. Solutions for uneven skin tone, dullness and uneven texture, fine lines, and wrinkles. Okay, I like that. This does not have parabens, sulfates, or any of that bad stuff. How to use. Pump 2 or 3 drops onto fingertips, dot on forehead, cheeks, and chin. Press and blend into skin. Reapply as needed to build desired coverage. All right, let's try it. Let's do it. Man, I really like the fact that it did this whole, I think I didn't shake it enough. All right. I like the fact that it came with this and it has a pump. All right. My face is already moisturized, you guys. Okay. This feels like a glass bottle. It's a glass bottle, by the way. Okay, let me try and, I'm like, it's not pumping. I'm just missing all the stuff. Okay. 1. Oh. 2. Okay, well let's just start. Oh, I guess I really only needed 1 pump maybe. It smells interesting. Not bad. Just the smell did hit me. I don't know what that is though. It's different. Yeah, it's different. It doesn't smell good, but it's not like, oh my gosh, this is horrible. Nothing like that. Okay. Let's try another layer just for good measure. On the right side, 1 more pump on this side to see. Yeah, the smell is different. Okay, I need a closer up look. Okay. It did smooth out my skin tone and it did give me some luminosity. This has 2 pumps. This has the 1 pump. It's drying down a bit more. But I wonder if you're supposed to set this with powder. Let's see what happens when I do. Let's do one side and see just... Okay. I just put a little dusting of powder on there. I think this is fine. It doesn't dry down really. It's still a bit tacky. I would say if I'm going for a natural look, I would probably, because it doesn't look like I'm wearing makeup. It doesn't. But I also can get this look sort of with the heaviness that this is a bit, and I don't particularly care for the tackiness of it. I would use my CC serum by Terry and be able to. It smells good, and it gives you a bit more luster as well. But I would just use my Luminous Silk. I know the Luminous Silk does not have an SPF in it, and it doesn't have skin properties to make your skin look better. But it just has a better finish and looks better on the skin. So this is doing stuff behind the scenes, which is great. But the tackiness, and even after I put some powder on there a bit, the tackiness is still there. Maybe I have to put some more extra powder on there, but that's what you're not going for. You don't want to look like you're wearing makeup. So, this was okay. It was okay, and it does look like I'm not wearing makeup, so it did its job. And I just prefer a different type of the non-tackiness and a little bit more dewy glowiness, or yeah. So yeah, it was fine, but it's not something I would probably repurchase. So yeah. So I hope that helped you guys to see if it's something you want to purchase. But this would be a no for me, just because I've tried out options that for me work better. That's all. And but this did do what it said. You get a no makeup look. So, and it's working, doing some behind the scenes working for you. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Have an amazing weekend, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Yeah, this is a no. I have ones that just work better for my skin, that's all. So, yeah.